Happy New Year. Thank you for tuning in to the first edition of the Vulcan Report for January 2016. What you have before you is a chart of the Russell 2000 futures contract. This is a weekly chart. As you can see, the market was trading within the Kumo cloud for quite some time, going back several weeks. This gray line here represents the top of the Kumo cloud. This is the bottom of the Kumo cloud here in this gray line. This green line represents the long-term period moving average. The peach line is the intermediate moving average, and then the purple one is the short term. As you can see, the market is trading well below all three moving averages. Each one is acting now as a resistance line for the Russell futures. Currently, as you have it, the Russell futures would need to close above 1068 in order to put a short-term bottom in place. The second resistance is going to be at 1092. Then the third resistance is backed at 1133. As you can see, major technical damage has taken place in the chart in the last several weeks. In addition to that, the market is now what we would call in a bear market. We have negative momentum entering into the market as per the red line here. As you can see here, the bullish trend is also gone, and we're at the beginning stages of a bearish trend. In addition to that, if we go back a little bit here, you can see that the last major support areas were at the 1071 area. As of Friday, we hit a low of 978. So as you can see, we are trading well below those areas. We have not traded this low since going back to 2014. You would have to go back to far beyond that to find these prices. You have to go back to 2013 to find where we are now, which is quite ridiculous if you ask me, but it's just where we are right now. You figure right about at the short term at 1074, we weren't there until we can put us around October of 2013, alright, when the market was in a bullish trend. Hence, all the moving averages are pointing higher, markets trading above those, and we had a locked in bullish pattern. So it's safe to say the market is now erased almost 3 years worth of bull market, which is really serious when you look at what's happening in the technical picture. We also have the red bear here in the bottom right hand corner, which shows you that we're in a bear market. In addition to that, we do not have any major support areas on the way down to think of. Unfortunately, this is a very dangerous type of a cycle. We went sideways for quite some time, building up a lot of power. The longer you go sideways, the more power you have to the way down. Technically speaking, we have at least another 100 points we could go in the Russell. And really there is no floor yet. There is no more major support to speak of. As far as the volatility,